Excuse me.
Anything I could help you?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Hey,
Hey. Hey, excuse me.
what happened?
What happened?
You taking
What happened?
you taking a picture?
You take a picture. You take a picture. I gotta call the police. I gotta call the police.
No police! No police! No police!
You go. You go. 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 Where the fuck is down here?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
How you guys doing?
Who you?
We work here at the warehouse.
Oh, you go away. You go away. You go away. You go away. You Shalamihala. You Shalamihala, go away. You Shalamihala, go away. You problem. You go away, problem. Go away. Shala. Shalamela. Shala. 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 You go away.
Crying, baby.
You leave here now. You leave here now. You cry. You go inside cry.
Hey, you're like, he's like, hey, this is property. I'm like, it's what?
His property, huh?
I'm
Cool.
like, that's for sure.
Llámela. Ajá.
Oh, it is. He's educating them. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate you, man. You rock, Mike.
Good job, Mike.
Right on, brother. Yeah, buddy. They all riled up in there or what?
I explained to them that you guys are well within your right to do what you're doing.
Right on, man.
Yeah.
What did they say? Like, what the hell are they doing out there?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
They don't know. They don't know better.
Right.
At least
Oh,
you do.
can't blame them, right?
Oh, you're welcome. Hey, I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, man.
Like I said, you guys are YouTube stars, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. We try to get out there as much as we can, you know. And
Oh, I wouldn't even try and go to argue. I wouldn't even. Yeah, I wouldn't do it anyway.
Yeah,
but
I
I wouldn't
saw
even.
you- I saw
I
you
wouldn't even go up
backpedaling
against
already.
you guys in an
Yeah.
argument.
trying to
We
cut
got the
out.
respect
And,
from you. We got you.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm
You're
cool.
totally cool, man. We appreciate you. a lot of guards, like I said, they escalated to a different level, and there's no need for that.
Oh, I've seen it. I've seen all.
Yeah.
And I already know. I knew the Constitution. I know my rights. I
Thank
know
you,
your
man.
guys'
Are you
rights.
military, Mike?
And Navy.
Right on.
Ex-Navy.
Thank you,
Oh,
sir.
hell
Oh,
yeah.
you're welcome.
Thank you for your
Appreciate it,
service,
man.
man. I
That's a-
appreciate you.
yeah.
Yep.
Hey, all right, I appreciate
You know
that.
better than that. You
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Swear oath to protect us.
Yeah.
Thank you for that,
I'm
man.
gonna oath to protect the Constitution. I
Without
was in the Navy.
that,
That was
and
for a
without
lifetime.
this will be nothing,
Right.
actually.
Yeah.
Because we protect.
Well,
this is constitutional. So.
a lot of people don't know the Constitution. You know that.
Right.
And educating them on the Constitution.
Right.
Is what
Even the cops, though. I mean,
A lot of people won't accept it, you know. They don't like to be told what they're supposed to know, and you try to correct them, and they're like, "Get the hell out of here!"
Right, right.
You know, they claim to know the Constitution, but it's limited to what they want to believe, you know. And photography of the crime
Well,
is what
you know,
they believe.
they're nervous because it's their warehouse and they got all this loaded with stuff, and they just don't want anybody to. They think they're gonna get broke into, or you know, a lot of different reasons why they get
business is a
upset.
liability, man. Not just them, not just the neighbor, everybody, man. Even my business is a liability, you know.
And
I'm
well,
always at risk of somebody breaking into my stuff and taking my stuff too. So
right.
we're always the same.
They asked me, well, what if we call sheriff? And they won't do anything. They know that you guys are within your.
they wouldn't come on.
Yeah.
Well, they come by here all the time. They drive by all the time. I don't know.
Oh,
There's
the
a
chopper
station
just passed
around here
overhead.
somewhere. Yeah, I don't even know.
Yeah, the sheriff chopper just passed overhead real slow. Like maybe they
Oh.
called or something.
Yeah, this is one of theirs.
Oh yeah, so that's why. Yeah, that's why they probably woke him up or made him all uncomfortable and stuff. But you know, yeah, he looks pretty aggravated. They shouldn't have called them. Hey, I try to tell them, hey, don't call the boss. You're gonna wake him up and bother him. And
He says, well, they were speaking Arabic or something.
No, say, Jalamela.
Yeah, what is that? I don't, Biden speaks Arabic. You know that? He speaks Biden.
Biden?
Vice President
Oh,
Biden.
really?
He
Oh,
speaks
okay.
a little Arabic, and he speaks, you know, he understands a little bit of Chinese too.
cool.
So, yeah. I didn't mean that in a good way.
Yeah.
Yeah, the way he parks on.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Ooh.
Yeah, I mean, he's not gonna react all crazy. I'm sure he
Well,
just wants to over.
I think he's
there's
all
nothing
right.
I can do.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So, and
You already
they're
did
gonna
your
expect
part.
me
You
to
came
do
and made
something.
contact.
Just go away, sir. No, just kidding.
Yeah, no,
No,
we
just
don't
not-
cross the line, man. You already
You know,
know that.
We appreciate you, Mike.
Okay.
You guys bother the boss, huh? Why'd they bother you, man? We're well within our rights, man.
First Amendment.
First Amendment.
Second Amendment.
Second Amendment might be guns right.
Right.
I'm kind of stuck on
How you
that.
doing, sir? I like your pink pants.
These guys are pretty cool.
Okay.
All right.
It's nothing to be
Yeah,
worried.
man, we're not here to cause problems. I know you're kind of bothered because we didn't talk to you, but let me explain to you, because if you're out doing something that you like to do, you know, because you like to do it, right? And if somebody comes and tells you, hey, what are you doing, blah, 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 you're not going to want to stop and talk to me and explain to me. So you should understand that I have the right to not have to answer any questions to you because I'm not obligated to.
Okay,
I don't
sorry
work for you
about
guys.
that.
No, I'm just trying to tell you, because
Yeah,
you
that's
guys
fine.
think that we're here to
Okay.
bother you, but it has nothing to do with you guys.
Let's keep doing your thing. It's
Yeah,
okay.
thank you, man.
All right.
Thank
Casamigos.
you. All right, man.
You look like
All right.
Anyway,
Don't forget your socks next time, man. You forgot your socks.
Uh-oh.
Dang.
Hey, I like your car too in the pink mask.
Have a good night, man. Have a good night.
Ito go yo.
Hey, try not to litter cigarettes on the floor. That's not nice, man. Later.
Hey, they're Korean, right? Korean, right?
Korean or Chinese?
Chinese.
Ni hao.
Yeah, meow, man.
I was speaking Korean to this.
I don't
That's the thing.
Well, they got really worried. They called the big guy.
Yeah.
The one that just came in right now. He was the owner.
Oh, he's the owner. Yeah.
He's the owner.
Well, they put themselves.
He knows.
They put themselves in a bad position. You know why? Because the owner has to come out and approach people. I mean, that's what you're here for, to make sure,
Exactly.
you know, to facilitate the whole situation,
law
make sure
here.
everything's
You're
good
the law.
there, and make sure everything's good here, and then you're like, hey, You made the call. That's what you're here for.
I did
But
what
then
I
the
did.
boss.
Yep.
Imagine
You
if
did
we're
your
here to
due
do malicious
diligence.
things, man. The boss comes out.
Yeah, that's not
They
good.
put themselves in a bad position,
Well,
man.
they didn't know better. They
Yeah.
were scared.
Oh,
They were
you know.
scared of you guys, so that's
Ah,
why they
space.
Hey,
you know.
scared is a
They asked
reason to
for
stay away, though, right?
Space.
Yeah. Well, like I told them, I said, what if we call the police? There's nothing the police can do.
Yeah.
So,
I
don't
mean,
know
if they did, we'll just wait for them, and
And-
we're gonna say hi to them.
I
And,
called my boss. I told them what happened, and
Yeah.
he said, I got to go back.
Hopefully we didn't
Yeah,
put you on the
yeah.
spot.
Right?
Exactly. It's
You woke
those
me up
guys
for this?
again, man.
Mike, we didn't put you on the spot, right? I mean, I'm sorry if we did.
No,
That's
no,
not-
good. No,
We
good.
don't-
You
we
want to
don't do
put
those
me on
things.
on a YouTube? That'd be great. I love to see myself on
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
YouTube.
Yeah, you'll be on there, man. Appreciate you, man.
All right.
All right, have
Yeah,
a good
that'd
night,
be cool.
Mike.
All right, guys.
Nice
Was
meeting you,
this some
man.
excitement
Hey,
for
thank
your
you.
night?
Huh?
It's a little exciting for your night.
Yeah, it's usually pretty boring here.
That's
Right,
cool.
there you
But
go.
I'm surprised to see you guys here. I feel honored, actually.
His fault.
You know.
Hey, I live in La Puente,
Oh,
so
so do I.
yeah. Oh, right
Oh,
on.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Hey, if we're ever live,
Born
come out and
raised,
join us
went to
one day,
La Puente
man.
High School and Mountain
Wow.
View.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Right on.
I'm a California
Native.
grown and raised.
Yeah,
Oh
native.
yeah.
Right on, brother.
All right, guys.
Have a
Have
good
a
one.
good night.
You have a safe night, all right?
Thank you. You too.
Thanks,
Bye, Mike.
Mike. And there goes the owner. Man, you gotta love people like Mike.
Right?
He honors his
Mike is what
oath
we
even
need.
after all these years being out of the Navy. He still honors his oath and defends people's freedom on the streets. That's cool. Right on.
We need more of Mike at Frito Lay.
Oh, hell yeah. We need Frito Mike's, huh?
Right? Frito. Oh. He looks like a Frito Mike.
So you almost deal with chips, the Cheeto guy.
Cheeto,
The security, man, I enjoyed the.